Gyeonggi Nongang National Nature Reserve has a northern tropical karst seasonal rainforest ecosystem. It is known as the Noah's Ark for the karst landscape biological species in China. At present, it is known that there are 266 species of birds in the reserve, accounting for 36% of the bird species in Gyeonggi. The rise of bird watching has made people care more for the birds and put more efforts into protecting birds in Nongang, and the number of birds has increased significantly. Varieties of birds that were rare to see before, such as the Nongang babbler, long-tailed broadbill, yellow-breasted magpie, or blue-rumped pitter, have become the starbirds people can find in Nongang